Thinking about staying at Disney World's most iconic resort? Well, listen up, because today we're stepping inside the main tower for a full tour and honest review of Disney's Contemporary Resort. From Incredibles themed rooms to breathtaking theme park views and the ultimate convenience to Magic Kingdom, we're covering it all. But is it really worth the price? Stick around because we've got all the details coming up. Let's dive in. Hey there friends, Erika here. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to stay on property during your Disney World vacation, like us, you've probably heard about the famous Contemporary Resort in Walt Disney World. Whether it's those incredible themed rooms, the Disney history, or the fact that you're literally just steps away from the Magic Kingdom, it seems like everyone wants to stay here. So, why does Disney World's very first resort continue to be so popular? Let's step inside and find out. Disney's Contemporary Resort is a deluxe category resort located just steps away from the Magic Kingdom. And when we say steps away, it literally feels like you could step outside the resort and walk right onto Main Street. The resort theming is a mid-century modern meets Disney animation. You'll find vibrant colors, art, and design concepts inspired by one of Disney's original artists and animators, Mary Blair, and the imagery is inspired by Disney's Pixar's Incredibles. The Contemporary is broken up into 3 different buildings: the main tower, Garden Wing, and Bay Lake Tower, the DVC section of this resort. The resort also offers a feature pool and what we believe is some of the best dining on property. Be sure to stick around until the end to see which Contemporary Resort restaurant we feel is one of the best and most underrated in Disney World. But first things first, let's talk about those room options. Starting in the main tower, you can select a water view room, which gives you pristine views of Bay Lake, or a theme park view, which gives you views of the Magic Kingdom and those spectacular happily ever after fireworks. Heading over to the Garden Wing, you can select a resort view, which provides views of the resort grounds or parking area, or a water view, which provides views of the marina and Bay Lake. During our May 2024 trip, we stayed in a newly renovated Incredibles themed theme park view room in the main tower, and let me tell you, this stay was truly special. While those rooms come at a hefty price tag, I'm talking $800 per night with our annual pass discount, the fireworks views alone made it worth every penny. For a Magic Kingdom fireworks lover like myself, there's simply no more magical way to end the day. If you select a room in the main tower, you can expect to pay anywhere from $800 to $1,500 per night rack rate, while a stay in the Garden View room will set you back anywhere from $600 to $1,000 per night. If you still don't know which room type is best for your group, check out our theme park view room tour and review over on our channel. And don't miss our Snag the Best Room video where we share all of our top room requests to make the most of your stay. We'll link both in the description box below. Alright, all this resort room talk has me hungry. Let's talk about the best places to eat at the Contemporary. This resort is best known for 2 restaurants: Chef Mickey's, where you enjoy a breakfast buffet and dinner with Mickey and the rest of the Fab Five, and California Grill, an award-winning elegant Californian dining experience from the very top of the Contemporary Resort. And of course, you have your quick service option, Contempo Cafe, which in our opinion is one of the better quick service locations in the area. Here you have your standard breakfast, lunch, and dinner options like breakfast platters, burgers, and chicken tendies, but don't sleep on the spicy chicken sandwich or the flatbread pizzas either. But we're gonna let you in on this resort's best kept secret. It's probably home to the best and most underrated restaurant in all of Walt Disney World. That's right, we're talking about Steakhouse 71. This casual steakhouse has great food, especially at a moderate price point. We've eaten breakfast, lunch, and dinner at this restaurant and have never had a bad meal or experience. For breakfast, we recommend the steak and eggs, Floridian eggs Benedict, or the veggie omelet. All delicious, filling at a pretty reasonable price point. For lunch or dinner, you have to try the Stackhouse burger or the gourmet grilled cheese with a side of their famous onion rings. We all know that most of our Disney trips will be centered around the Disney parks, and why wouldn't they be? But if you're like us, you'll also find yourself spending a whole lot of time at the resort. Whether you're needing a reprieve from the crowds at Magic Kingdom or taking advantage of the resort pool day, there are lots of activities to enjoy. If you've been around our channel, you know we love a good pool day, so you know our resort days at Disney's Contemporary Resort were filled with fun in the sun. And while unfortunately this resort pool is definitely nothing to write home about, it does have a pretty fun water slide and even a relatively quiet, relaxing main feature pool, by Disney standards of course. There's a splash pad for your littles to enjoy, as well as a quick access to snacks and drinks at the sandbar. Want to know more about this resort's pools and activities? Head over to our channel and check out our full Contemporary Resort pool review. If you're looking for more fun outside of the pool, you may enjoy doing a little shopping at BVG and Fantasia Gifts, where you can pick up some pretty cool Disney merch. including some of our personal favorites like this t-shirt and sweater. The resort also has a full arcade, perfect for kiddos to enjoy while staying in the AC or during those Orlando rain showers. For those that enjoy fishing, you can take a fishing excursion around Bay Lake. And don't forget about those walking trails if you need to get those steps in. In the evenings, you can enjoy movies under the stars as well. But here's a little tip for those Magic Kingdom fireworks lovers. Even if you aren't staying in a theme park view room, there are plenty of ways to see those fireworks. If you're dining at California Grill, you'll be able to take advantage of the rooftop terrace and watch Happily Ever After, no matter what time your dining reservation is. You can also view them from the seating area on the balcony on the 4th floor. Transportation at any resort is a huge consideration when choosing a resort. And of course, when you think about this resort, we all immediately think about that beautiful monorail. And why wouldn't you? I mean, how cool is it that that monorail runs right through the middle of this resort, picking you up and whisking you off to the Magic Kingdom, after a couple stops, of course. But when it comes to the other Disney parks, it's not as easy or convenient. For Epcot, you'll use the monorail, which is fine, until you have to fight the crowds of people at the Transportation and Ticketing Center when you transfer monorails. We did this and it took us 45 minutes to get from the resort to Epcot. For Hollywood Studios and Animal Kingdom, the bus will be your only option, and you're in a land far, far away. So pack your patient pants because it's going to be quite the ride to get to either one of those parks. Also, for a deluxe resort, it shares a bus route with Disney's Wilderness Lodge, so those buses might be a little bit cramped. In the end, choosing the right resort always depends on the individual needs of your group. The Contemporary Resort is in a great location, just literally steps away from the Magic Kingdom, and a relatively quick monorail ride to Epcot, though we feel it isn't as quick as it appears to be. You're also just a hop, skip, and a jump away from the Polynesian, Grand Floridian, and Wilderness Lodge, 3 other resorts with great dining options, such as Ohana, a character dining experience at the Poly, and one of our favorite character breakfasts. And yes, in our opinion, it's so much better than Chef Mickey's at the Contemporary. But let's be real, the best reason to stay here, those Magic Kingdom fireworks views. Imagine kicking back at your resort, ending the night with Happily Ever After lighting up the sky. No crowds, no rushing, just pure Disney magic. If you're a Magic Kingdom fan, this is a dream stay. Looking for the full scoop on Disney's Contemporary Resort? Don't miss our pros and cons video over on our channel for all the details. But if the Magic Kingdom isn't your group's favorite park, or the fireworks just aren't your thing, or maybe you're looking to spend more time at the pool during your off days, then we'd probably recommend checking out some of the other resorts on property. I mean, we're gonna be honest, this resort is expensive, and if those things aren't important to you, there are plenty of other options that will fit your needs. And hey, they might actually just be a little bit better on your wallet too. If you're still trying to find the perfect Disney World resort, head over to our channel. We've reviewed Animal Kingdom Lodge, Yacht Club, Wilderness Lodge, Caribbean Beach, Art Animation, and more to help you decide. And that's a wrap on our full review of Disney's Contemporary Resort. We hope this video helped you decide if this iconic resort is the right fit for your next Disney World vacation. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Disney content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!